What is the state of the moon's illumination when the moon is behind the earth? A. Partially illuminated towards earth. B. Increasing illumination. C. Decreasing illumination. D. Totally illuminated towards earth. The correct answer is D. Totally illuminated towards earth. Compared to the equator, how strong is the magnetic field at the poles? A. Equal. B. Maximum. C. Weaker. D. Non-existent. The correct answer is B. Maximum. What is the primary growth medium in an aeroponic system? A. Air. B. Soil. C. Water. D. Gravel. The correct answer is A. Air. What is a potential disadvantage of cross-pollination related to genetic traits? A. It always results in stronger offspring. B. It may introduce some unwanted characters. C. It may increase desirable characters. D. It prevents any genetic mutations. The correct answer is B. It may introduce some unwanted characters. What term describes an object that sinks because the buoyant force is less than its weight? A. Neutrally buoyant. B. Negatively buoyant. C. Positively buoyant. D. Hydrostatically balanced. The correct answer is B. Negatively buoyant. What term is sometimes used to describe cortisol due to its role in severe conditions? A. Stress-reducing hormone. B. Life-saving hormone. C. Growth hormone. D. Sleep-inducing hormone. The correct answer is B. Life-saving hormone. What does self-ionization of water result in? A. Conductivity of water. B. Neutralization of all dissolved substances. C. Decreased conductivity. D. Production of only hydroxyl ions. The correct answer is A. Conductivity of water. Which of the following materials is typically used for the casing of electrical components due to its insulating properties? A. Rubber. B. Iron. C. Metal. D. Copper. The correct answer is A. Rubber. What two aquifers primarily contain that allows rainwater collection? A. Coarse sand and gravel with spaces. B. Fine clay particles. C. Solid rock layers. D. Organic matter and silt. The correct answer is A. Coarse sand and gravel with spaces. What is the primary benefit for underwater divers wearing fin-like flippers? A. To protect their feet from cold. B. To walk on land. C. To swim easily in water. D. To look like a fish. The correct answer is C. To swim easily in water. What is the acid found in lemons? A. Acetic acid. B. Lactic acid. C. Formic acid. D. Citric acid. The correct answer is D. Citric acid. In what forms is carbon found as minerals in the Earth's crust? A. Graphite, diamonds, and petroleum. B. Carbonates, coal, and petroleum. C. Diamonds, carbon dioxide, and soot. D. Soot, charcoal, and graphite. The correct answer is B. Carbonates, coal, and petroleum. What are the two main categories of changes mentioned in the text? A. Solid and liquid. B. Fast and slow. C. Physical and chemical. D. Hot and cold. The correct answer is C. Physical and chemical. What type of activities contribute to domestic purpose or household wastewater? A. Industrial manufacturing. B. Household activities. C. Power generation. D. Agricultural farming. The correct answer is B. Household activities. What did humans use to drive the narrator away? A. Water. B. Sticks and angry voices. C. Plants. D. Food. The correct answer is B. Sticks and angry voices. What is the primary process described as nuclear fusion? A. The combination of light nuclei. B. The emission of alpha particles. C. The absorption of neutrons. D. The splitting of heavy nuclei. The correct answer is A. The combination of light nuclei. What can chromium contamination cause in the human placenta? A. Cellular regeneration. B. DNA repair. C. Oxidative stress. D. Nutrient absorption. The correct answer is C. Oxidative stress. Which component of the circulatory system carries fluids throughout the body? A. Lymphatic capillaries. B. Circulating fluids. C. Intercellular spaces. D. Stomata. The correct answer is B. Circulating fluids. How many layers of tissue coverings protect the brain? A. 4. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is D. 3. Which of the following is an example of a compound containing two nonmetals? A. Calcium chloride. B. Sodium nitrite. C. Sodium sulfate. D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is D. Sulfur dioxide. Who is the author of Food and Nutrition, published in 1995? A. Thangam. Philip. B. Mudambi. Asumti. C. Swaminathan M. D. Sri Lakshmi. The correct answer is C. Swaminathan M. Why do food materials left exposed to air undergo changes? A. Due to reduction reactions. B. Due to neutralization reactions. C. Due to oxidation reactions. D. Due to decomposition by bacteria only. The correct answer is C. Due to oxidation reactions. What is a characteristic of the leech's skin? A. Dry and scaly. B. Feathered and smooth. C. Moist and slimy. D. Hairy and thick. The correct answer is C. Moist and slimy. What type of current does an electric generator, as shown in figure 5.18, produce? A. Pulsating current, PC. B. Direct current, DC. C. Constant current, CC. D. Alternating current, AC. The correct answer is D. Alternating current, AC. What was the primary benefit of grouping elements instead of studying each individually? A. It simplified the study of their properties. B. It made elements easier to synthesize. C. It explained nuclear reactions. D. It allowed for the discovery of new elements. The correct answer is A. It simplified the study of their properties. What is a distinguishing characteristic of combustion regarding energy production? A. It only produces electrical energy. B. It always absorbs energy. C. It produces energy, usually as heat and light. D. It reduces the total energy in a system. The correct answer is C. It produces energy, usually as heat and light. Which characteristic describes metals that can be beaten into thin sheets without cracking? A. Density. B. Malleability. C. Ductility. D. Brittleness. The correct answer is B. Malleability. What are polychlorinated biphenyls classified as in the context of the text? A. Enzymes. B. Pesticides. C. Hormones. D. Nutrients. The correct answer is B. Pesticides. When a concave mirror is used as a makeup mirror, what describes the orientation and size of the observed image of the face? A. Inverted and magnified. B. Upright and magnified. C. Upright and diminished. D. Inverted and diminished. The correct answer is B. Upright and magnified. What is the primary role of the cuticle on a plant? A. Support. B. Absorption of water. C. Gas exchange. D. Protection and water retention. The correct answer is D. Protection and water retention. How did you score?